Bill.
Yeah, I'm Bill.
I'm not leaving this locker, bro.
Are you in the locker? He knows you're in there, dude.
No way.
No, he didn't. He's lying.
Jesus Christ, guys.
This is not a good day.
Bill, how would he know that I was in there?
That's his thing.
No, dude. It dropped.
Do you mind if I cleanse this totem first?
Oh, y'all good, man.
There's no way! Is anyone coming to get you?
Bacon's here.
Okay.
It's about a 50-50 chance if he gets me or not. Not because the killer's nearby, but because he like hates my guts.
Why are you following me?
Come on.
You're my savior.
Oops.
Fuck. Alright, hatch is open. Find it. Oh, boo-hoo! What? There's no way.
Way, dude.
The other way.
This map is horrible. I hate this map. I hate this map so
Well,
much.
here's the good news. Hatch can't spawn upstairs. Maybe he doesn't know that and he goes upstairs.
Yeah, maybe.
Yikes.
So there's a problem with that.
There's a little bit of a...
He's trembling trembles, by the way.
Oh, one of you guys might need to come get me because Meg's getting chased.
Right, I'm 80% sure he is dead man, so
Oh.
I'm 100% sure he is dead man, so
Yeah.
ready to see most step pulled up like yellow.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh God, they are.
oh. Don't worry guys, I'll come help. Give me a minute. Anytime now.
12 seconds later.
And I'm done guys. Oh. Whoops.
Finally.
There's a zombie outside.
The boy's a liar. Yeah, I hear him. Scary.
Should I go ask?
He's going to hit that gem.
Go away, Gerald.
What's your name?
Go away.
Come here.
Oh, Geraldina. Geraldine. Go
Geraldine?
away.
Yeah,
Goodbye,
I'm gonna poke
Geraldine.
your eyes out.
Guys!
Yeah. Yeah, fuck you.
Yeah, give
Yeah.
fuck Geraldine.
SOS!
Kids on
Please.
second hook. Ah! Not that way!
Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's like really safe, right? She's gonna come hit you. Oh! Oh! Nice! What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh. What the actual? Oh my god! You're actually insane, dude. I don't understand, bro. Bro. This is insane. Oh my god. You can stick it. You can take a hit and stick it. Oh my god, Bacon! You're actually insane! There's no way! Go away. I wanna squish her. Oh my god. Very good, very good.
So Philip, how are you?
Caleb hates you?
Oh, I was tapped out. Sorry.
So how you spell that?
No, EY. Oh, you just had to. Okay. I gave you the correct. Okay. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Is
No,
more
probably.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Good job.
Alright guys, I'm bamboozling him.
As you should.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm not here. Go out. He went out there. He went out there.
Wait, Kate, don't finish it. Don't finish it.
He went out there. Yeah,
We
go
need-
get
we
him.
need-
I just healed you. No!
Oh, there's a generator over here trying to do it. Oh, this one's done. Never mind. Okay, no.
Looks like that's done. See that right there?
That one's, that one's done.
Yeah, that one's done.
That one?
Yeah, that one right there, it's done.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, what about our toolboxes? I thought we were saying here to fix that one. That one not the one we need to fix?
No, that one's already done.
That one?
Oh,
So
no.
what are we holding these toolboxes for?
Oh, I'm the TV repairman. Oh.
Oh.
It all makes sense.
Oh, come on. Alright. Alright,
Let
I'm
me
shadowing
come-
you today, yeah?
Yeah. Come help me repair this
Yeah, I'm
TV.
here. Alright.
So, for some reason, our client lives in, an alien warlord planet or some shit.
Oh, wait, I gotta come down here real quick, detour.
Oh, okay. Alright, you go down.
Sorry, McDonald's got a 2-for-1 sale.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta, real quick, just. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, you know, a good TV
I like 4
repairman.
cheeseburgers.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you work that
You hungry?
McDonald's drive-thru. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, I'm actually now, your medic. So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, just don't get hurt on the job. It's a dangerous
Yeah.
job.
Oh, this is my great grandma right there. Say hi.
Oh, hello, ma'am. Do you need some medical assistance?
Yeah, her life alert went off about 5 years ago, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put a blanket over her.
Oh,
Are you in the basement
she's fine.
right now?
She's fine. She's good.
Alright,
We're
right.
just gonna-
TV
we're just gonna
repairman.
skedaddle.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah,
actually
TV
know.
repairman, yeah.
Wow, I got a good fucking grip on this thing. You see how? Oh my! Look at me gripping this
Oh, wow,
fucking
yeah.
tape, dude. Wow. Yeah, this tape ain't
Oh,
going
yeah.
nowhere. Oh my god.
You take your job real seriously.
Yes,
yeah.
I do.
Ah,
Don't worry, guys. Any moment I'll load back in.
that'd be really great of you to do. Super fucking epic.
Whoa. That was a little aggressive.
There are 2 wolves inside me.
Yeah, hit it from the back, spectacular. I'm a big boss, yeah, ain't no amateur. Yeah, take him to the moon, I'ma take him to the atmosphere. Break the pussy down, yeah, just like an engineer. Bitch, I'm a big dog, I want TikTok, but I'm on a great love.